Okay, now I will train you about some course that today's I will raise up for you. Is the column design in robot professional 2014, and it is the material that we use in our example for you. Yes, and before we start, we move to the program that we use is robot program. When we open in it, we will see a template such as this shell design, trust 2D design or building design. Yes, but I recommend you to choose all-C element design for calculate column design, and then we go to at the right up. We choose this template. It is new column, and then before we start, we need to set a job reference before we start. All of you, when we use in a robot program, we need to choose the job reference. It is the most important for you, that control all of the information or the material when we apply to the structure. Yeah, and we move to this part because I set up the property already. I choose this name, and I tell you that the most important for you in our database is reinforcing bar. We use SI 318 metric, and other point is material. It is still a statistic, and concrete is the name that I bear up already. If you don't have, you can go to this point and we go to concrete and we set up on this point, but the point that I set up is that. Yes, it is okay for me. When we set up job reference already, we can click OK, and we can show current parameter. Yes, and click OK. Yes, it is already for job reference. And we move to other point. When we do it already like this, we move to this point. It is column geometry. Yes, but if you don't want to choose this parameter, you can go to analysis tool. Yeah, okay, it is not important. You can choose this tool that make you easy. Then you click on it. Oh sorry, column geometry. Click on it. We will see one template is column geometry, and the first is the number of column. If you have one column, you choose one. It is the column dimension or cross section of cross section of our column. I choose 30 centimeter. At this point I choose 30 centimeter. Yes, and it is the tie of when we sing on the column, we should be understand about the beam and slab. Yes, it is the tie that we needs to limit the column and or the beam and slab, and we should be complete. Follow me. I take Hasi, it is the height of the column. I take it 3.5 meter, and Hasbi, it is the height of beam. I choose it 0.4 meter, and Has I choose it 0 and 12. Yes, we do it already. We click OK. Yes, it is a parameter that we apply to this column that we choose. Yes, we do it already. Then we move to calculation option at the right hand side. If you don't want to click it on it, you can go to analysis tool and choose this calculation option. It is the same that you can use. Yes, when we click on it, we will be see a calculation option that it is the material that we use. ACI 31808 metric rectangular regulation. ACI 318 2002. Yes, I will click on general. The previous column we don't need to click it because this shed already. And reinforcement optimization level, we choose high, and minimum capacity or load, we choose 1, and click on advanced. We touch on share consider, click OK. Yes, and about this part, it is estimate on our cover. I choose, but the ACI code recommend us to use at least 3.8 millimeter. Oh, sorry, it is recommend for us to use 3.8 centimeter, but I choose only 3 centimeter, and I click on fridge. When I click it, it means that it is the limitation for me that I choose only 3 centimeter. Don't need it to vary to other point, such as when we don't click on it, the program will choose on the best start of it. Is if calculation is 4 centimeter, it take it up, but for me I choose only 3 centimeter, and I click on fit. It is my limitation, and we move to concrete. Yes, in the concrete I choose the name that I built it up already, and characteristic of it 25,000 kilopascal, and unit weight 25 kilonewton per cubic meter, and aggregate size is 20 millimeter. Yes, and move to longitudinal reinforcement. It is ACI 318 matrix. I choose grade 420. It is deformation bar, and I use it only 3 times. As 16, 18, 16, 19, 22, and 25. Yes, for me, I choose this. If you prefer it on this geomet or still, you can choose by yourself, but for me I choose like this. Let me move to transversal reinforcement. Yes, transversal reinforcement, I choose it grade 300. It is deformation bar 2, and I take it only 10 millimeter for each diameter, and we do it already. We click on, when we want to add the name, you can click on it, but I share it on its standard. It's standard. Yes, I'm click OK, and I click this. Yes, we complete this template and we move to this. It is a reinforcement pattern. Yes, it is the same that I told you already. We can click on it and we go to reinforcement pattern. It is the same. It is easy for me. I recommend you to use on the right hand side. It is easy then. I click on it. Longitudinal bar, I choose, if you keep it automatically, it will be run by itself. I choose it 22 millimeter, and the maximum and the maximal number of bar in a bundle, I use only one, and in this case I choose automatic. In this case I choose only 1, 2, yeah, and it takes only one. Generate constructional reinforcement. If you want to try, it is okay. If you don't take, okay, it is okay too, but I chose about all time the space limit for eon. I choose only 1 decimeter, and I choose it for E2 is the same too. Yes, it is okay. And we move to transversal. Yes, in this part I choose E1. There's this, yes, this is space of the mid of our column. I choose 0.15 meter. For E2 I choose only 0.1 meter. It is the space of the transversal at the base of a column. And I move to H1. H1 is equal of smaller. It is small and equal. Small or equal. I choose just only 0.1 meter, and H2 I choose only 1 meter. Yes, H3 it is the same, and I choose tie up to slab. Yes, and this style of the type of transfer shot you can use by your prefer, but I use this. It is easy and simple for me. And I move to double bar. Yes, it is very good when you want to join our steel to continue at the top. We need to use steel joining. So I choose one meta and the L parameter. It is bigger or equal D. D is the diameter of our steel. Our longitudinal steel. I choose 30. It means that 30 times of the diameter of our longitudinal bar. I choose tie, and it is connection to the upper column. I choose auto, and this, when we choose auto already, bending bar, if you don't want to bend it at the top, you choose off, and we move to sharp. And we go to sharp, I choose this. Yeah, it is okay. I do already. I complete all this parameter, and I click on save as, and click on save on our standard. Okay, I click OK. Yes, it is complete for us. But we need to add a load apply to our column. So I click on this point. It's a load definition. Click on it. I click on simple case on natural. I select dead load. Yes, it is good one. That's I have some recommend on this. The load for me that I choose is 350 kilonewton. Yeah, I complete on this point. 350 and y the moment that act on the y direction is 12. Yes, and then we select line load, that it have the arc on a column. Oh sure, this point. Yes, it is now good. 350. Yeah, and yeah, okay. And for line load is 50 kilonewton. Okay, 50 kilonewton, and I choose my is 7 kilonewton meter. I do it already. I click on close. Yes, it is. We do complete all our tasks. Then when we do it already, we need to generate it to make a program to calculate the reinforced bar in our column, we can click on this tool, or you can go to analysis and click calculation, and you can click at this point. It is the same, it is the variation of u that you want to choose. But for me, I click on this, then I click calculation. Yes, it is the cover does not satisfy a requirement for the given environment. Okay, I click OK because it doesn't matter, because it different from the other software that provide for HI code. It choose at least 3.8 centimeter for it cover. So it doesn't matter. We can check our result. Yes, when we check it, it is okay. It is good for this the result. And we want to see the main bar or transfer bar in our column. It is, yeah, great. In main bar we can use 22 diameter. This it is the bar that we use at the corner. Use only four and construction that we use, the diameter of it is 13. We use 4, 2, and then so we use 28. Yeah, click on this if you want to see your still. Yeah, this easy for you. Yes, that I choose. Okay, do you clear? Good. You can go to it node. Yeah, yes, it is the cover. It doesn't satisfy for us that we choose, but it doesn't matter for our calculation. Yes, all this it is okay. So our calculation it is good. So I finish my training. If you have some point that you misunderstand, you can to contact me on my Facebook. My Facebook that Prapunim. Yes, or you can go to my Facebook page. Is Facebook page is Prapu Innovation future. Yes, and you want more, if you want more lesson, we will be continue on this, and I will upload for you in the YouTube. And when I upload it already, I will post to you, and I will share to my Facebook you can check it on my Facebook. It is easy for you. Yes, thank you so much for your for your learning. See you later.